welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do another video. So today I'm going to be showing you some slime. So let me go get it. And so peace out, guys. And as you can see, I am in the bathroom. And I am sitting on a rug, by the way. So I'm at my grandmother's house because, sorry, the gun fell. Because my grandmother, my mom's boyfriend's grandfather died, and so they're in Florida. So yeah, guys, and please give me love and support, and I thank you so much for your love and support. So guys, this is super stretchy. Let me get the camera on it. So yeah, guys, I love you guys, but I'm gonna do another video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please comment down below something good and something bad, something that you want me to do, and please like this video and subscribe. And I'm going to be like turning my cam and like doing all sorts of bubbles and everything. So yeah, guys, bye.